The invention of the printer has dramatically changed the style of official reporting, university assignments, and other printing-related activities. Before the printer became commercially available for personal use, we were dependent largely on the printing press and typewriter for creating a professionally printed document. Today, it's possible to print anything in the office and our home. Among all available printing technology, the laser printing technology is the most efficient, and Brother is one of the best laser printer manufacturers. Today, we've chosen Brother HL-L2370DW compact monochrome laser printer for our subscribers.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. Brother HL-L2370DW is a monochrome laser printer that is suitable for home and office usage. It's designed to accomplish printing productivity. The printer is speedy in processing printing commands. It prints 32 pages per minute, 32 ppm, which would enable you to print quite fast. It's got a manual feed slot, which will let you print on different types of paper, such as envelope, postcard, and other size papers. The paper holder of the printer can hold 250 sheets of paper, which would reduce the paper refilling time and increase printing efficiency. Brother HL-L2370DW is designed for printing letters and legal size paper. A perfect printer to use in the home and in the office. Brother HL-L2370DW comes with a duplex printing function. If you enable it, the printer will automatically print both sides of the page, which will save papers. The toner saving option is another great feature of this special printer. It would ensure that the toner delivers maximum impression. The printer can be connected wirelessly with a computer, laptop, tablet, and mobile devices. Traditional USB and LAN connection options are also available for enhancing flexibility in connectivity. Brother HL-L2370DW printer uses TN760 toner, which delivers up to 3,000 pages, and there's an additional replacement toner option, TN730, which has a yield of 1,200 pages. Brother offers a 1-year limited warranty with the printer, and you'll receive lifetime support service for the printer from Brother's dedicated customer service. It's time for us to investigate the user ratings on this model of printer and find out what customers are saying about it. The printer has got 4 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 7,373 user ratings on Amazon, which suggests that the printer is recommended by most of the users. Here are some real user comments. One user has given 5 stars and commented, "Worked as described. It's definitely Apple print friendly and works well with our Mac, iPads, and iPhones." Another user gave 5 stars and wrote, "It's definitely a good deal as an entry-level laser printer. Printing speed is pretty fast, noise level quite low, and the printing quality for text and document is excellent." A few people didn't find the product useful. Among them, one person gave 1 star and wrote, "Until it bricked itself 1 year in, I was happy with this printer too. It worked with basic installation procedures, and I didn't mind that princessy unwakeable sleep issue." That's all we have on Brother HL-L2370DW compact monochrome laser printer for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.